Two men commit the same crime. Same evidence, same lawyer, same judge. But one walks free and the other gets 10 years. The only difference? The shape of their face. This is not fiction. This is what psychological research is now proving happens inside real courtrooms every single day. A major new study published in June 2026 found that judges, juries, and parole boards consistently make harsher decisions about people whose faces appear threatening, even when all other factors are identical. Researchers call this facial bias, and it operates completely below conscious awareness. Nobody knows they're doing it.
Here is what happens inside the brain. Within 200 milliseconds of seeing a face, that is faster than a single heartbeat, your brain has already decided if that person looks trustworthy, dangerous, or guilty. By the time a juror consciously thinks about evidence, the verdict has already been emotionally decided.
So which facial features trigger harsher judgments? Research points to a downward slanting brow, a narrow forehead, a strong jawline, and deep-set eyes. These features evolved to signal aggression in humans, but in a courtroom, they are being used as evidence of guilt for crimes a person had nothing to do with, choosing their face. Imagine this. A defendant walks into the courtroom. Before they say a single word, 12 juror stickmen are already forming an opinion. Their body language shifts, their expressions harden, and none of them realize it is happening. The defense lawyer can argue facts for hours. This is not a small effect. Studies show that defendants rated as having more threatening faces receive sentences up to 8 months longer on average for the same crime. In capital punishment cases, those with more stereotypically untrustworthy faces are significantly more likely to receive the death penalty. Your face, something you were born with, is being used as silent evidence against you. Psychologists call this the bad is strong principle. Negative-looking features trigger our threat detection system, the amygdala, which evolved to protect us from danger on the savannah thousands of years ago. But in a modern courtroom, that same ancient wiring is making life-altering decisions about people's freedom. Evolution built the bias. Society put it on the jury. So can anything be done? Researchers suggest that blind justice may need to become literally blind. Some advocate for concealing defendant faces during initial jury deliberations to reduce first impression bias. Others argue that jurors need mandatory psychology training before every trial. Right now, none of that is law. And every day, faces decide fates. And it is not just courtrooms. The same bias affects job interviews, medical diagnoses, school discipline, and even how much money someone gets paid. Facial bias is not a legal problem. It is a human psychology problem running silently through every institution we trust. The system is not broken. It is working exactly as our biased brains designed it. Your face is not evidence. But right now, it is being treated like it is. If this opened your eyes, follow Secret Psyche. Because the psychology hidden behind everyday systems is exactly what this channel exists to expose.